Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today we are going to see how to find out a pair of co-prime numbers and HCF by the common division method. So let's start. Which of the following pairs are co-primes? Before finding which pair is co-prime or the given pair is co-prime or not, we should understand what is the meaning of word co-prime. See students, co-prime numbers are the numbers which are having common factor 1. It means they are not having any other common factor except 1. For finding the co-prime numbers, again we have to follow the same method how we have done to find out the common factors of the given number. It means we will first list the factors of the numbers, then we'll find out the common factors. Depending on that, we'll decide whether it is a co-prime, the pair is a co-prime or not. Okay, so let's start. The factors of 9 will be 1, 3 and 9, and factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we'll find the common factors. So 1, 3. So we are having common factors 1 and 3. Okay. Now see students, 9 and 12 is having two common factors, 1 and 3. And what is the definition I have given you of co-prime numbers? The numbers which have only 1 as the common factor are known as co-prime numbers. It means 9 and 12 are not co-prime numbers. Understood? So 9 and 12 are not co-prime numbers. We'll find out other pair. We are having now 3 and 8. So the factors of 3 will be 1 and 3 only because it's a prime number. Factors of 8 will be 1, 2, 4 and 8. What are the common factors? See students, if we'll see here, we are having only 1 as the common factor between 3 and 8. Okay, so now we can say that 3 and 8 are co-prime numbers. They are co-prime numbers. Understood? Because they are having only 1 as the common factor. Now we will see how to find the HCF by the common division method. In the previous lecture or the previous video, I have taught you how to find the HCF by listing the factors of the given number. Now we have to find out the HCF using common division method. So let's start. We are having here two numbers 36 and 45. First students, you have to make a line like this. Write both the numbers with the help of comma. Keep a little space between the two numbers. Now, what is the rule saying? That we have to start dividing both the numbers but by a common number only. It means both the numbers should be divisible by the same number. Now, if we'll observe here, 36 is an even number and 45 is an odd number. Okay, it means I can divide 36 by 2 but not 45. So I will not divide by 2. I will not start my division by 2. Is it clear? Now if I cannot divide by 2, I'll check for 3. Now if I'll add the digits, 3 plus 6 9, which is divisible by 3, 4 plus 5 again 9, which is divisible by 3. It means I can divide both the numbers by 3. So I will start my division by 3. The number by which you are going to divide, right here. Now the question what we are going to get after dividing by 3 will write down below the number. Okay, see here, if I divide 36 by 3, 3 ones are 3. Just a minute, let me, yeah, see here, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now if I'll divide 45 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Understood? Okay, it means the number by which we are going to divide right here, and the question should be below the numbers. The quotient of 36 below the 36, the quotient of 45 below 45. Clear? Now see, 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3, so again I will divide by 3. Okay, now if I'll divide, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 50. Now see students, I got numbers 4 and 5. Now 4 and 5 are not divisible by any number. Together not divisible by any number. 4 is divisible by 2, but I can't divide 5 by 2. 5 is divisible by 5, but I am not able to divide 4 by 5. So if such condition will come when you will not able to divide the given numbers by a common number, then stop the division. Okay, now I have stopped the division. Now how you will find out the HCF? See students, whatever the numbers you are getting here, you have to multiply that numbers. So I will write here 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. So my HCF is 9. Understood? First you have to make the rows. Write the numbers here with the help of comma. Give a space between the two numbers. You have to start the division by a common number. It means if you are taking a number, it should divide the first number also and the second number also. Question you will write down. Again you will choose a number. You will divide the first number and the second number by the same number. Write the question down. If the condition comes where both the numbers are not divisible by the same number, stop the division. Whatever the numbers you are getting here, multiply those numbers and you will get your answer. Now the next example, we have seen how to find out the HCF of two numbers. Now we'll see how to find HCF of three numbers. Same process. Make the lines, write the numbers with proper space. Okay, 100 and let me write again 70, 105 and 175. Okay, so see, if I'll observe the number students, 70 is an even number, 105 and 175 are odd numbers, so I will not divide by 2. If I'll check by 3, 7 plus 0, I'm getting 7, which is not divisible by 3, so I will stop the checking by 3 of the rest of the numbers. Now if I'll observe them carefully, all the numbers are divisible by 5, because here the unit place is 0, unit place is 5, unit place is 5. It means I can divide all the three numbers by 5. So I'll start the division by 5. When I'll divide 70 by 5, what is the question I'm going to get? 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5. When I'll divide 175 by 5, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fives are 25. Okay, this much is clear. Now observe the numbers again. See, first is 14, second is 21 and third number is 35. By 5 it will not be divisible, because only this number will be divisible by 5, not these two numbers. Okay, so I will not able to divide by 5. So by which number I can check now? By 6 it will not be divisible, because you can check by reading the table also, or by the divisibility rule also if you want to check. Now if I check by the table of 7, all the three numbers are coming in the table of 7, so I will start the division by 7. Okay, now 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fives are 35. If you will observe now, I am getting the numbers 2, 3 and 5. All the three numbers are the prime numbers, and the prime numbers are divisible by only 1 and the number itself. It means they will now not be divisible by any common number. So for finding the HCF, which numbers I'm going to multiply? 5 and 7. 5 sevens are 35. So here the HCF is 35 of the given numbers. I'll show you one more example. Now I'm going to find out the HCF of four numbers. Okay, let me write the numbers: 32, 64, 96 and 128. If you will observe, all the numbers are even numbers, I'll divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. You have to divide the numbers and write the question down. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16, right? If I'll divide 96 by 2, I'll get 48 question. Here 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again the numbers I'm getting are the even numbers, so I will divide by 2 again. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again, if you will observe, I'm getting even numbers only, so I'll divide by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, and 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 16s are I'm getting 32. Again, I'm getting even numbers, so I will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. Again I am getting even numbers, so I will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now I will stop the division. Why I will stop the division? Because I'm getting the numbers down 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, all the 4 numbers are not divisible by any common number except 1. So I will stop my division. For finding the HCF, which numbers I'm going to multiply? I will multiply all the 2's which I have got on the left side. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's are there? Total, see, let's count 1 2 3 4 5 twos are there. 1 2 3 4 5 twos we have to multiply. Okay, so 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are, see here, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. Again I'm showing 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. So my HCF is 32. I think students this is clear to you. Okay, we have seen today how to find co-prime numbers and HCF by the common division method. I think this is going to help you out. Share with your friends, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.